In this question, you're asked to prove that the points A, B, C, whose coordinates are given, are collinear. So how do we check the collinearity using the section formula? So let us say that let A, B, C be collinear. Let us first assume that they are collinear. So if they are collinear, then B has to divide AC in some ratio. This implies B divides AC in some particular ratio. I don't know what the ratio is, but there should be some ratio. So let the ratio be lambda is to 1. So let the ratio be lambda is to 1. Now let us see whether an actual ratio exists such that B divides AC in that ratio. So 2, 4 has to be equal to minus 3 lambda plus 1 by lambda plus 1 and 9 lambda plus 5 by lambda plus 1. Now if an actual lambda exists, then you should get the same values from this equation as well as the second equation. So this implies 2 is equal to minus 3 lambda plus 1 by lambda plus 1 and 4 is equal to 9 lambda plus 5 by lambda plus 1. This implies 2 lambda plus 2 is equal to minus 3 lambda plus 1. This implies 5 lambda is equal to minus 1. Lambda is equal to minus 1 by 5. So that means B divides AC in the ratio 1:5 externally according to the x coordinate. Now according to the y coordinate, let us see what the ratio is. 4 lambda plus 4 is equal to 9 lambda plus 5. This implies 5 lambda is equal to minus 1. So lambda is again equal to minus 1 by 5. So you got the same values of lambda from the first equation as well as the second equation. So this implies that A, B, C are collinear. So hence A, B, C are collinear. Thank you.